Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 111th Ave and 170th Street. We're looking at the RX 350 F Sport Series 3 package in Atomic Silver. This is a 3.5 liter V6, 8-speed automatic all-wheel drive with 295 horsepower. We have windshield wiper deicers, headlamp washers, F Sport grille, auto leveling headlamp system, and an upgrade to premium LED headlamps, LED cornering lamps, and LED fog lights. We're also seeing a 20-inch F Sport alloy wheel with adaptive variable suspension. This RX 350 F Sport Series 3 package is shown in circuit red premium leather with black inserts. We have power windows, locks, and side view mirrors are power folding and auto dimming, and attached to the 3 seat saving settings. Both the driver and passenger seat are 14-way power. We have automatic high beams, back power gate, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view, and power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It's wrapped in leather with red stitching, paddle shifters, audio controls and hands-free communication, and our driver information center. This is where we can see our fuel economy, kilometers till empty, eco indicator, G-force monitor, tire pressure, all-wheel drive, our compass, audio, messaging, and the Lexus Safety 2.0 system. This year that includes pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection in low light, dynamic radar cruise control all speed, lane tracing assist, automatic high beam. We also have blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. In the windshield we can see our heads-up display, push button ignition, our audio this year including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto added to the AM/FM radio, Sirius satellite, CD, and MP3. Dual climate control with the side view mirror and rear window being heated defrost. Down below we have our 2 USB ports and a wireless charging station for your phone. Driver and passenger seat are heated and ventilated with 3 temperature options. Cup holders are adjustable. And a trackpad to control the 12.3-inch LCD touchscreen display, Lexus navigation and N-Form apps. We have our rear view camera and our panoramic display. The view can be adjusted to all sides or bird's eye view. We also have our drive mode select, giving us Eco, Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus for the F Sport Series 3 package with all-wheel drive lock. Rear view mirror is power auto dimming, 3 garage door openers, power sunshade, and panoramic moonroof. At the rear of the vehicle, we see aluminum roof rails, rear spoiler with wiper tucked underneath, and rear privacy glass, LED combination lamps, F Sport badging, and sensors for intelligent clearance sonar with rear cross traffic braking. We have 4 points of entry into the cargo space with your key fob remote, power trunk release at the driver's side. Underneath the Lexus symbol, and new for this year, is kick sensor with a back power gate. The interior of the cargo space, we have our privacy screen to protect your valuables. This is removable. The seats are power folding, 60/40. We have a speaker at the rear. Winter mats and cloth mats are included with your F Sport red stitching. And underneath the floorboard we have our spare and extra storage. At the rear passenger side of the vehicle, we have our power windows, 10 airbags throughout. Passengers enjoying an upgrade to a 15-speaker premium Mark Levinson audio system. We have cup holders in the armrest, extra storage. Seats are reclinable for extra comfort. We have heated seats for this row and 2 USB ports, and seats are power folding. So come and see us at Lexus of Edmonton on 170th Street. Explore our inventory, take a test drive with one of our Lexus professionals, save on your purchase, and drive home a Lexus today.